Hi folks, welcome back once again for another video. So today's video is just kind of like a road safety awareness video. Today I'll be sharing one of my heart and mouth moments on road. It is my personal experience and luckily everything was caught in my dash cam. So today I'll be sharing that with you. Stay tuned. So it was one fine Monday. I was having a drive to my office. The road was very free. I have to say the road was deserted and I was having a casual ride, and then this happened. So as we saw in the video, the motorcycle coming from the opposite direction, drifted from his lane and started coming towards my car. So I noticed the motorcycle well in advance coming towards my lane, and I was able to turn my car towards the left side of the lane, thus preventing a fatal accident. So today let us discuss about what went wrong, what went right, and the things learned from this scenario. So first, what went wrong? So from the motorcyclist point of view, he was not paying enough attention to the happenings on the road and was not aware of it. Had I been a little more cautious, this could have turned fatal to him. And from my point of view, the road is a state highway having a speed limit of around 80 km per hour, and I was driving well above the legal speed limit on that road. So what went right in the scenario? So I was able to sense the motorcycle coming towards my direction well in advance, and I was able to turn my car towards the left side of the road to prevent the accident. From the motorcyclist's point of view, even though he analyzed the situation very late, still he was able to prevent his motorcycle from colliding with my car head on. So what are the things learned here? From a car driver's point of view, even though the road is free and is having very less traffic, it is always good to drive in the legal speed limit. Also, while driving on roads with opposing traffic, it is always good to drive well within the center lane. Just give a motorcycle space between your car and the center lane, so that you can have some allowance for the mistakes the other drivers make. So from the motorcycle's view, just keep in mind one thing: never take your eyes off the road, even if there is no traffic or nothing. You never know what will come when on our roads. So that's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. See you all in another video.